国台风战机威武升空，不过未来英国空军可能还会再加上这个生力军。
Japan, Britain, and Italy are getting together in a bid to rule the skies. The three nations said Friday they were merging their projects to build a next-generation stealth fighter.
这庞然大物就是英国次世代逆踪战机暴风的模型机，而这次英国不只携手老朋友意大利，还邀请日本共同设计。
This is being seen as a really big moment in the defence industry. This is the UK trying to make its own fighter jet, but show that Britain also has seriously ambitious.
这架最新战机是英国全球空战计划的一环，将由英国航太系统联手意大利里奥纳多集团以及日本三菱重工打造，预计将配备最先进的感测器和数据系统，增强人工智慧和数位能力，部分性能甚至可能超越美国 F-35战机。
We're one of the few countries in the world that has the capability to build technologically advanced fighter aircraft. That's important because it means we can keep the country safe from the new threats we face.
暴风战机预计最晚会在2035年服役，这是日本2战结束后首度将国防工业扩展到美国以外的地区。除此之外，日本自卫队也时隔4年找来英国陆军在群马县进行防卫演训。
They aim to confirm if they were on the same page with Australia, their prosperity in the Taiwan Strait, whether they would work together on North Korea's missile, nuclear.
在此同时，日本还和澳洲展开国防外交2+2会谈，由美国拉起的抗中联盟似乎正在以日本为基地，打造对抗中俄与北韩军事威胁的新防线。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
掌握全球情势、国际新闻，全新选择 YT 频道 TVBS 国际 Plus， 扩大视野。欢迎订阅并开启小铃铛。